Yo, what's going on, world? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully, back with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there, taking care of themselves. In this video, I'm going to break down, it's actually a follow-up from my previous video with the Fibonacci. I want to go through the ranges and what I meant when I was talking about that, because I know I didn't like clearly explain everything. So I don't want to take too much time in the intro because we got some work to get to. So I'm here on the whiteboard, so I'm gonna break it down to what I meant. So like the title says, you know, it's subjective, but it's an easy way to understand the charts, right? So when you're on YouTube, you're scouring, you're looking for things, you know, you're gonna start learning what? First thing you start learning is market structure, right? Higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, things like that. You know, but a key point is people second guess so hard on the entry. Are you waiting for a pattern? Are you waiting for a railroad track? Are you waiting for a stop hunt? Are you looking for divergence? Are you looking for the RSI, the TDI to cross? You know, there's so many factors into it that when you're first getting started, even if you're experienced, you have to learn how to condense it down and make it simple, so that you can keep getting the same type of results. You can't keep changing the variables and expecting the same results. I can't one day use the stochastic and the TDI and think I'm gonna get the same results as me just using a naked chart. It's just not going to be the same thing. I might be relying on the TDI more for signal line across the bloodline, and is it overbought, oversold, you know, whatever. What I'm trying to say is that you have to find a strategy that's simple enough, and then you can expand on it, right? So a lot of times people want to learn everything at once, and it gets too convoluted in your mind. So you need to learn a couple things and then expand that. And then when you know enough, what you're going to do is condense it back down, because you'll know a lot but do little. So anyways, we'll have a little tangent there, but in this one I'm gonna talk about ranges, right? So let's say this is our daily, and then we have our M15 right here. Okay, so change the color, let's go green. All right, so we have a range. This is gonna be our daily range. Okay, so let's go right here. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. It changed the color. All right. Okay. So we got our daily range, right? Let's say this is the top and here's the bottom of the range. So like I was saying, market structure, right? So it starts here. We're going up, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. Maybe double top, maybe a triple top, who knows? Going down, right? Now, what most people are going to tell you is, you know, wait for a break right here, boom, break right here, boom, buy, break right here, whatever, right? And the same thing going down, break right here, look, sell. So in hindsight, that looks easy, right? But you know, the market is pulsating with the candles. It might not always come and hit this area right here, right? It might miss it by 5-10 pips. So what I'm going to give you now is, when you use the Fibonacci settings that I showed you guys in the previous video, and if you haven't checked that out, just click on the title, just click on my name in the YouTube channel and go back one video. It's called Best Fibonacci Settings. I'll put it in the video as well, so you can click on it. But you need these settings to do what I'm talking about here. But what I'm trying to say is the market isn't perfect. So when people are telling you this, you know, there's going to be a lot of guesswork sometimes too. And especially if you're not comfortable like trading 5-10 pairs, you're going to miss a lot of this, right? So anyways, let's go back to the M15, and I'm gonna break this down in a few minutes. So let's say the M15, right? Within our daily range, let's say we don't know what happened over here yet, right? Let's say we just been looking right here for this current week. Say this has been our trading week so far, right? And this is what's been going on. So the M15 within the daily range, because it's not gonna look as clean as this, it's gonna be looking something like now keep in mind, there's still market structure within the market structure, right? So we still have the higher highs, lower highs, things like that, right? The higher lows, the lower lows, yada yada yada. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is, if you can focus on the ranges and find ranges using the fib settings that I gave you guys, it's gonna take a lot of guesswork out of it. You don't really, patterns are gonna be important, but you don't really have to have those, right? You just need to know if price is going up, they're looking to come back down to get in a discount, right? So discounted price is what you want to look at, and premium. And I'm gonna explain this in a few seconds too when we get on the actual charts. But just know that the banks, the hedge funds are always looking to get here, right? They're always looking for the best price. And when price is too high, this is when you start seeing the breakdown the structure, right? So let's hop on the charts. So here I have these two lines. This is the daily range, and I'll show you real quick. These are just on a daily time frame. So yeah. So what you're gonna want to do is, once you recognize your highs and lows for the daily, right, you're gonna want to find structure, aka higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows within the structure. And you can do it all the way from M5 to an M1 and hone it all the way down. Okay, so here clearly what we're in a uptrend, right? Clearly. So what you want to do is you want to find ranges, and these ranges are going to be subjective to the day and what's going on in the market, so you have to adjust. So using the fib settings I gave you that you've already applied because you watched the last video is, excuse me, take it, swing low, swing high, right? And let's swing it. Okay, so let's say we took the low of this Asia range, right, and the high of the previous day. What's going on right here? Price came where? It tagged right by the low risk buy zone. Okay, now you might say this is a reversal, I can't catch this. Okay, but clearly order flow and price is pushing way up, way up. And where does it come to? Where does it come to? If you're going to counter trade it, it came right to our sell zone, right? Right here. Then you get past that, and you're gonna, and you know, if you take an entry, right? Let's say it came right here, you saw this down candle right here, and you took a sell. You don't want price to come where? Above the last structure, right? So let's say hypothetically you took it, that's a 23 pip stop loss. I mean, that's not even that bad. So you took it, and you know, you got paid, you made a 1-to-1 ratio. Cool. But that's just a counter trend. So you're already expecting a reversal because it already broke structure, right? Once it passed this point, the structure was broken, right? And that's where, in our equilibrium, that is going to be the midway point, 50% point of our fib. So it came here, and it's one touch, two touch, pattern recognition. This could be a double bottom, and you took a buy, right? Stop loss under here, and you know, it's barely any drawdown at all, and you made 25 pips. So you could have made 50 pips on the day just by using the range, and we did not do any guesswork. We literally just looked at our range, saw it hit a sell zone, equilibrium tagged, and we put our stop loss underneath the structures of where they needed to go. So let's keep moving on, right? So let's do this. Sorry guys, I was coughing there. But all right, so we got our structure, right? And I'm gonna delete this. So let's see, the next range we have is, we see the low of Asia, right? And you're always going to use the previous day as your range high. So right now, this is the low. So as of right now, I mean, it could change, but you're trying to take the best and highest probable setups that you can, right? All right, sorry guys, I had some distractions going on. I had to get rid of that. So anyways, like we were saying, you're on the fib, right? So right now you're just looking for the ranges. So the range within the range, this is our daily ranges, and you're always going to go from the previous day high. So here we go. So now clearly you can see what, like I said before, we're in an uptrend up here, right? So price came and it's tagging our range low, right? Let's say you missed this, boom, but it comes right where, right to our buy zone, right here, and immediately goes up. Okay, now what do you want to do? I mean, you can second guess it, but why? You know it broke. You know it already broke structure up here. We're going in an uptrend. It hit our buy zone. The confluence is already there. You know, so you can take it literally. Take that buy. Stop loss goes under here. Once again, was that 10 pips? And you're making about, let's say, 35 pips, 40 pips on the trade. Easy, right? And what does price immediately do? We're at the range high, so it's at a premium level. This right here is a premium level. This here was a discounted level, right? Price is low, so it's going up. They want to buy low, sell high, like the first thing you learn in trading, right? So here it comes right back down, and this right here, it doesn't even break this low, and it tags our equilibrium, the 50% point, and goes all the way up. So this is powerful, man. I could literally do this all day, but I won't make this video too long. But yeah, give it a try. Look at the fib settings from the last video and go back test and see for yourself. If you got any value from this video, please like the video, leave a comment. I love talking to people, so let me know your thoughts. If you thought it sucked, that's fine too. But I do this just for fun. Hopefully this helps somebody who needs it. If you need any more explanation, you can email me, or you can message me on Telegram as well. But that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe as well. But like I said, that is it, and hope you guys liked it. I'll be back next time in the next video. Talk to you guys later. Peace.